AI video generators are changing how we create content. Today, we will compare two top tools, Seedance 2.5 and Minimax H3. Each has unique features that can help you make amazing videos. First, let's look at Seedance 2.5. It is known for its easy-to-use interface. You can start creating videos quickly without a steep learning curve. This makes it great for beginners. Now, let's talk about Minimax H3. This tool stands out for its advanced features. It offers more customization options. Users can tweak settings to fit their style and needs. Both tools support various formats. Seedance 2.5 is perfect for social media videos. Minimax H3 is ideal for longer content like documentaries. Choose based on your project type. Pricing is also important. Seedance 2.5 offers a free trial. Minimax H3 has a subscription model. Review your budget to decide which fits better. In conclusion, both Seedance 2.5 and Minimax H3 have strengths. Seedance is great for quick, easy video creation. Minimax gives you more control and options. Pick the one that suits your needs.